How to create digital business card in Canva. Here is a concise guide on how to create a digital business card using a popular tool, Canva, in just a few minutes. So creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content, information easily and efficiently. So all you have to do first is open your web browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, this is the home page. Here we have Canva, this is the home. Then we have design spotlight, businesses, educations and others. About business design spotlights, we have visual documents. As you can see, here we have visual site, tags, presentation, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs and charts. Then about photos and videos, we have video editor, YouTube video editor, photo collages, background remover. About print, we have business cards, invitation, mugs, shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels. And then we have marketing, logos, posters, flyers, brochures, social media, website, stickers, yard signs, QR code, generator. About pros Canva template, we have choose from thousands of free ready to use templates, Magic Studio, all the power of place. About business, we have Canva Enterprise, Canva Teams, contact sales, businesses solutions, we have marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, real estate, small and medium businesses, startups, franchise, and all businesses solutions. Then we have use case, content creation, visual communication, print management, team collaboration, asset management, brainstorms and workshops, branded team templates, productivity and workflows. Resources, we have businesses resources, case studies, features, integrations and apps, security, enterprise onboarding services. Then all you have to do is sign up right now by clicking over here. You can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, email also, continue with other way. So let's click over here. You can write your email here, as you can see. Then you continue and you confirm your email, and that's it for your sign up. If you have an account, all you have to do is click over log in, and you find your account if you already do it. So what will you design today? Can Canva makes it easy to create and share professional designs. You can just click over here and start designing. Here we have posters, resumes, logos, talks, whiteboards, presentations, social, videos, website, Instagram posts, brochures, photo editor. As you can see, then we have a perfect fit for everyone. Firstly, we have Canva free, so the first pack for one person for designing or working on anything. We get Canva free, it's free. Then we have the second one for one person, it's Canva Pro for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. You can just click over here and start your brochure trial. Then we have for your team, Canva Teams for teams you to create together with premium workplace tools and workflows. You can just click over here, start free teams, trial, or contact sales. We have trusted by well-known companies. Firstly, we have here create with EA, where you find the way you create with Magic Studio, our site of EA power tools that generate copy in your brand voice with Magic Write and transform your photos with Magic Edit. Then we have design with others, invite friends and family to design with you or set your whole team up to work together. Our collaboration features let you comment and work in real time on presentations, whiteboards, docs, videos, or the birthday party planning. Then we have templates for absolutely anything. Customize an office template or design something more personal like an invitation. Then here we have the plan that gets down to businesses, empower everyone to design together with Canva teams. Firstly, we have AI-powered efficiency. Then leverage AI to create and brand copy, templates and video editing. Bring your brand in-house, beautiful approval flows, easily control individual permissions, assign tasks and share your work. Then you can just click over here, export Canva themes. We are full of surprises. Here are some of our best traits you might not know. Well, then we have here, we have got an apps marketplace, we have got desktop apps, business love us, we make presenting easy, and various things as you can see. So creating a digital business card can be a great way to share your content information easily and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to create digital business card. Step 1, we have choose a platforms or app. Select a platforms or app. There are several apps and platforms available for creating digital businesses cards such as Canva, Adobe Spark, Vistaprint, and dedicated apps like Hi Hello, Comcard, or Hi Stock. Then we have sign up or log in. Create an account or log in if you are using an app. Download it from your app store and create an account or log in if you already have one. Step 3, you have select a template. Browse templates. Most platforms offer a variety of templates. Choose a template that fits your brand or personal style. Then select a template. Click on the template to start customizing it. Step 4, customize your digital businesses card. Add your logo. Upload your company logo. Most platforms will have an option to add an image or logo. Then enter your information. Include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and any other relevant information. Then customize the design, change colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Most platforms allow you to drag and drop elements to create a design that you like. Then add social media links, include icons and links to your social media profiles to make it easy for people to connect with you online. Step 5, we have save and export. Preview your card before finalizing. Preview your digital business's card to make sure everything looks good. Then save your card, save your design. Most platforms will save your card in your account for future edits. Then export your card, export your digital business card as a PNG, or PDF file. Some apps also allow you to share your card via a QR code. The last step is share your digital business card via email. Attach your digital business card to your email signature so that every email you send includes your contact information. Then we have social media. Share your digital business card on your social media profiles or send it directly to your contact. Finally, we have QR code. If your platform provides a QR code, you can print it on physical materials or display it digitally for others to scan and save your content information. By following these steps, you can create a professional and eye-catching digital businesses card that you can easily share with others in a variety of ways. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.